Once upon a time, the people of this world were free, not just from oppression, war, and hate, but also free from the laws of physics. But then, great wizards came to this earth, and with their evil magic, began to demand order and laws.
We want order! We want laws!
The great wizard Kulam was jealous that all atoms were friends.
Hey!
And so he assigned them electric charges.
No.
Ouch.
Which either forced them together or to repel one another.
Oh no!
Later, the Wizard of Ohm took the lands of Lords Voltage, Current, and Resistance.
Hey!
And under his law, forced them into a relationship. The wizards were angered, for though they took action, there was no equal and opposite reaction. They knew they had limited control, for objects at rest could spontaneously be in motion, and objects in motion could spontaneously be at rest. Enraged by their lack of control, the wizards summoned the great wizard Newton, begging him to take force over the entire earth. Newton agreed on one condition. When his work was done, his home, the sun, would be circled by the earth for an eternity to watch over and ensure that his laws were always followed. And so the great wizard Newton came to Earth with an army of 8 planets and 169 moons to force the Earth itself into orbit. Along with his army, Newton brought 2 new forms of magic unknown to any wizard before. Their names were inertia and gravity. When unleashed by Newton, inertia made all things on Earth lazy. They no longer spontaneously went from at rest to in motion. The people began to have to do work by forcing objects over a given distance. Once the wizard's work was complete, and his 3 laws of motion ruled over the earth, Newton retired to the sun to play with his light prisms and alchemy.
Yeah.
The people of Earth were left with the constant and eternal force of gravity. Their laziness from the property inertia prevented them from ever rebelling against the wizards. And so the world is today. By the same laws of gravitational force, the Earth continues to orbit the sun, where the great wizard Newton watches us, making sure his laws are never broken.